All living things need energy to perform various functions of the body, such as digestion, circulation, breathing, excretion, movement, etc. We obtain energy from the food we ate. During digestion, the carbohydrates present in the food are broken down into glucose and it is transported to every cell of the body through the blood. Our body needs oxygen to break down glucose in order to release energy, which is then used by our body parts to function. We get oxygen by breathing. Breathing is a continuous process by which living things take in air and then expel it out from the body. The movement of the chest during breathing. Two types of movements happen in the chest region during breathing: inhalation and exhalation. Inhalation is the stage in breathing where we take in air from our surroundings. Exhalation is the stage in breathing where we breathe out or expel air from our body. The air we breathe in is rich in oxygen and the air we breathe out is rich in carbon dioxide. It also contains some water vapor and germs. A model belongs to respiratory system. So respiratory system will starts from nostrils. So nostrils in the sense the outermost cones, okay, in the nose. Okay, we have two nostrils. This is nose. This is nose. In that particular we can observe two holes, that is called as nostrils. So nostrils connectivity, it is a nasal cavity. Okay. So and below the area will be called as buccal cavity. Means the mouth and tongue, okay, and as well as some glands, that is salivary glands will be present here. And it is connected with the pipe. This is called as larynx. What it is? Larynx. And another one is pharynx. Okay. And both they are connected to one pipe. It is called as trachea. What it is? Trachea. And here they are dispatched towards the two lungs. One is left lung and another one is right. When we are compared the size of right lung and it is compared with the left lung, left one is slightly a size, it is reduced and small size due to the presence of heart. Okay, ఇక్కడ హార్ట్ ఉన్నందుకు ఏమవుతుందంటే లెఫ్ట్ హార్ట్ మాత్రం కొద్దిగా చిన్నగా ఉంటుంది and the right lung as well as its original position. And bronchi, so this is called as bronchi, and inside we can observe so many branches and it is connected with the alveoli where the gases are takes place of exchanges. Okay, so when we absorb the oxygen, automatically it will be entered up to the alveoli and there the blood automatically they will exchange gases, oxygen and carbon dioxide. So this is the shape of dome shape. So this is the below area will be called as diaphragm. So the picture, the model, it is in a position of relaxation. Relaxation means expansion. So మనం గాలిని వదిలినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందంటే ఏమవుతాయి, మనం పైకి వెళ్ళిపోతాయి. గాలి పీల్చుకున్నప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, ఆటోమేటిక్గా the lungs will be moved towards the down position. Okay, so this is the process of respiration in human beings. So what are the parts will be observed? One is nostrils and nasal cavity, and it is connected towards the trachea and larynx, and trachea is connected to bronchioles, and some of alveoli we can observe. These are the two lungs. So when we inhale the air, automatically the size of lungs will be increased, chest cavity will be increased. So along with these two lungs, they are protected by the rib cage. Rib cage in the sense that is bony cage. So bony cage they are present in 7 numbers. So 5 are true bones. Okay, sorry, 7 are true bones. Remaining 5 are false bones. Okay, right. That's it. Experiment. Aim.
to show the importance of the diaphragm in breathing. Material required: bell jar, rubber sheet, 2 balloons, rubber bands and a white tube. Procedure: take a bell jar and fit an inverted white tube to its mouth. Attach one balloon to each end of the white tube using rubber bands. Tie a rubber sheet to the base of the bell jar. Pull down the rubber sheet and then push it upward and note down your observation. Observation: when you pull down the rubber sheet, the balloons get inflated with air. This is because the air from the white tube arm is filled in the balloons. When you push upwards, the balloons deflate. The balloons act like our lungs. The rubber sheet does the function of the diaphragm. As the air is released from the balloons, the rubber sheet is pulled in. As the air is filled in the balloons, the rubber sheet is pushed out. The materials in our body are transported from one part of the body to another by a separate organ system is called the circulatory system. The circulatory system consists of the blood vessels and the heart. They together control the flow of blood in our body. This process is called circulation.
Blood is a vital bodily fluid that circulates through our veins and arteries, carrying oxygen and nutrients to cells while removing waste products. It consists of red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, and plasma. Arteries are blood vessels that carry oxygenated blood away from the heart to various parts of the body. They have thick, muscular walls to withstand the pressure generated by the pumping action of the heart. Arteries branch into smaller vessels called arterioles, which further distribute blood to capillaries for the exchange of oxygen and nutrients with body tissues. Veins are blood vessels that carry the oxygenated blood back to the heart from the body's tissues. They typically appear blue or green in color and have thinner walls compared to arteries. Veins play a crucial role in the circulatory system, working alongside arteries and capillaries to ensure the proper flow of blood throughout the body. Capillaries are the smallest blood vessels in the human body, responsible for connecting arteries to veins. They have thin walls, which allows for the exchange of oxygen, nutrients, and waste products between the blood and surrounding tissues. This exchange is vital for the functioning of cells and tissues throughout the body. Heart. The heart is the main organ of the circulatory system. It is located in the chest. It is a fist-size organ protected by the rib cage. It works like a pump to send blood to different parts of the body through blood vessels. The heart makes the sound lub-dub as it pumps blood. It beats about 72 times in a minute, throughout one's life. This is called the pulse rate. The heart is divided into 4 chambers. The upper 2 chambers are auricles, the right auricle and the left auricle. The right auricle receives impure blood while the left auricle receives pure blood. The lower 2 chambers are ventricles, the right ventricle and the left ventricle. The right ventricle pumps impure blood while the left ventricle pumps pure blood.